Police officers encounter an intoxicated individual drinking in public in a park, attempt to detain him for investigation, face resistance as he tries to leave, and ultimately arrest him after a struggle.
Hall 3, I'm going to be out with subject just on the south side of Wallingford Park.
10-4, I'll advise County.
Dylan!
Talk?
Yeah, dude, unfortunately you can't be drinking in public, okay?
You want this?
I need you to have a seat. I need you to sit down, dude. Sit down.
No.
Sit down, man. You can't be drinking in public.
Not.
So what was that?
What was what?
Dude,
You're
listen.
on camera, dude.
Yes, exactly.
Exactly.
I need you to sit down, dude.
I will
You're not free to leave.
House, dude.
You're not free to leave.
Why?
Dude, you're not free to leave.
I'm not.
Paul 3, I'm on Earlston with him now.
10-4.
You have a car?
Hey, dude, stop.
Go into my
You're
house.
clearly intoxicated, man.
I left it. I don't have anything.
Dude, I just told you, you're not free to leave.
What's wrong with you, dude?
I just told you, you're not free to leave, okay?
Okay, you're on camera, too.
That's fine.
All right, come back to my house.
Dude,
I'm
listen.
going to my house, dude.
Dude,
Nothing.
stop.
No.
I'm telling you right now, you're not free to leave.
Why? Why you got gloves on?
Leave from one of you over on Earlston now.
Do that,
Yeah,
dude.
step it up. Dude, you're not free to leave.
Relax. Relax, dude.
Dude,
Relax.
you're not free to leave.
Relax, dude.
You're not free to leave.
Relax.
Listen, you are not free to leave.
It's fine, dude.
Place your hands behind your back.
No.
Place your hands behind your back, dude. Hey! Stop.
I'm
Stop.
stopping, dude.
Stop it up, guys. All right?
Yeah, we're good.
You gonna stop?
Yeah. Hey, don't do that part. Hey, don't do that part. Not necessary.
Hey!
Where are you?
Stop! Stop!
I am stopping.
On Earlston
Listen,
on the
listen,
south side.
listen.
Of, the park. We got
Listen.
County and route.
Place your other hand behind your back. You are not free to leave.
I get that.
You are not free to leave. You are under arrest. Place your hand behind your back now. Place your hand behind your back. Stop. Just, he's gonna kick. Just hold his knees up. Place your arm behind your back now. He kicked me, so just be careful.
One male detained.
Doesn't
not on. It just went off. Second. I heard it. It was on.
Oh, okay. All right, let's roll him over.
You talking to my dad?
Yeah, we talked to your dad. Can you sit up for me, bud? Can you sit up for
Sit
me?
up.
Sit up.
Sure.
Okay, we're gonna stand up.
Okay.
Okay.
Why don't we stay sitting?
Yeah.
Stay sitting.
All right, just stay here for a minute. All
Take
right.
me to my parents' house, please.
You don't have to get up yet. Eval, right?
That's fine.
Well, he's
You want the
drinking in
medics
public.
you want
Number
the
one.
medics to check him out? Just to,
I did
Yeah.
say, give me my backpack, please.
to the medics to check him out.
Can you guys
One,
bring
can you
that
send
back
medics?
home?
Yeah, we'll take care of it, but just relax, okay?
I'm relaxing.
Alright, 10-4. And I stand corrected. County is not responding. County is not responding. I'll get medics.
That's
4107
mine.
Earlston. Scene secure.
Scene secure, one male detained.
That's mine. You
10-4.
can check it out.
Dude, why are you running from me?
You saw it.
Secure. That's right.
Didn't have to go that way.
Alright, 10-4.
All I wanted to do was talk to you.
I love you, too. Give me my stuff back. That's mine.
Did he have booze that he tossed or something?
Yeah, it's in the park over there. Yeah.
Not really.
Just snap a
Kinda
picture of it,
worthless,
pour it
right?
out. Yeah, it's the walking path just to the south there.
Yeah, please wait, dude.
You're good, bud. All right.
Alright, something like that.
We spoke to county.
That's mine, you know, my parents do own that.
Yeah, I have no...
Unless they need us. Our guys at the hospital or girls.
You good?
Sorry, 10-4. We'll get the responding sheriff advice.
You guys are Downers Grove, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're in Downers Grove jurisdiction right now, bud.
Alright, I always stayed in my house, but you guys invaded my house.
I didn't go to your house.
Good. Take me to my house then.
No, wait on that one.
How's it going, dude?
Great.
No, he just kicked me, so... Yeah.
You guys don't have jurisdiction here?
Yes, we
Something
do.
like
We
that?
do.
Whatever?
Dylan, just stop talking, okay?
No, I'm gonna be myself.
You can talk, but you don't need to.
That's okay.
He's on a bike.
There was supposedly one, but...
He was on foot when you found him.
Yeah, some lady flagged me down, just like there's a guy with a bottle of vodka. He might have just dodged you guys. Been hiding in the grasses or something.
Yeah. I mean, I was looking for a guy on a bike, but I didn't see anyone. I saw people walking their dogs.
He ditched the bike.
Please?
What's that, bud?
Can you take me to my parents? Nope.
No, we cannot do that right now. I'm gonna go on mute.
I
Sorry,
believe so, yeah. I just spoke to the county dispatcher. I'll get confirmation.
That's a lawyer, please?
We're gonna get you checked out medically first, alright? Hang tight.
Can you take me to Naperville?
That's not my decision.
I will get up.
right,
Just
come on.
tell me I'm gonna be okay.
You're gonna be okay, man.
Keep your hand on my hand, dude.
All right, cool.
Keep my hand on my hand. Like that.
Bags. No. Just sat him up as soon as he calmed down.
All right, you're gonna have a seat here, okay?
That's
Just
not
get
good, dude.
the spots on him.
You guys okay or what?
Yeah, why not?
Let's,
Get the bag off.
the bags are stuck in between his wrists.
Take your hand out of his left cuff.
Something like that. Can you loosen us a little bit? That hurts like fuck.
You said I'm gonna take it off, right?
Fine.
Do you guys want him out of cuffs altogether or recuff him up?
What's that?
You want him out of cuffs altogether now or recuff him up after we get this bag off?
Dude. Take me to the hospital or not? I won't. That's happy, you guys.
Well, I'm just saying.
Well, I can.
Are you gonna listen to what they tell you?
Yeah,
to do?
I'll listen to you. But no way can you stop me. Can you please uncuff the right one at least?
What was the verdict on that? Oh, both of them off?
Yeah, both of them are. Well, it's not that tight actually. It's just He's working on it, okay?
So, we're gonna get this figured out.
Okay, can you please not take my stuff? Or?
No, we're not gonna take your stuff.
I'll be relaxed.
What's in your pockets? So I gotta check your pockets, okay?
Pockets, okay. I'll take my pockets, but I want this stuff back.
It's going in your bag, okay?
We're bringing your bag up to the hospital.
Well, thank you.
No. It's not a big deal. It's not. That's not a weapon, dude.
You're getting searched. Put your hands
All
on
right,
your head.
search me.
Or you're gonna get cuffed up.
Yeah, you can search me. That's fine. Put it in the bag. I want that stuff back. I could use a cigarette. You guys do know that, right?
I think they think you're able to smoke in the ambulance.
I can't smoke in the ambulance, but I could call my parents from the hospital.
You absolutely can.
I definitely can.
Yeah.
It's not a big deal. Hey, what'd you grab? Hey, be careful, dude.
Took everything out of your pockets. You're good.
Put it in
It's
the
going
bag,
in your
please.
backpack, all right? It's going in your backpack.
That's my stuff.
Yeah, it's your stuff. Go
That's
grab
the
a
wrong
seat.
pocket, dude.
Grab
I'm
a
gonna
seat.
sit in the
Grab a seat.
cot.
Yeah.
Please make sure he puts that in the bag. Please. Put that in the bag, dude. It's not your problem. Learn it if you want to.
What's the med that we need to get refilled? When are you guys coming up to the hospital? Then when he's
Yeah. One of the guys is riding in there.
We'll get you taken out of the cuffs, so hopefully it's cool. Thanks.
How you doing, dude? You okay? I love you. Can I make some calls when I get home?
When we get to the station, you can.
Okay. What's the Downscope police station like?
I'm attorney Michael Reynolds, a practicing lawyer with extensive experience in criminal defense and civil litigation across the United States. Under the Fourth Amendment, police may briefly detain someone based on reasonable suspicion of criminal activity, such as open container violations or public intoxication, which are common municipal or state offenses prohibiting alcohol consumption in public spaces. Here, the initial contact escalates when the individual ignores lawful orders to sit and not leave, potentially providing probable cause for arrest on resisting detention. Physical resistance, like pulling away or kicking, can justify charges for resisting arrest, a misdemeanor in many jurisdictions requiring intentional opposition to a lawful arrest without excessive force. Disorderly conduct charges often stem from creating a public disturbance while intoxicated. The suspect's refusal to comply transforms a minor infraction into a formal arrest, highlighting the distinction between investigative stops and custodial arrests. This is general legal education, not legal advice.